In this lesson, we are going to have a look at present simple be verbs. Am, is, and are present simple be verbs. We use them to tell our name, nationality, job, and age. We say, I am, he is, she is, they are, and we are. Let's look at some examples. I am Adam. I am from the United States. I am an English teacher. I am 39 years old. He is a police officer. He is from Brazil. She is a student. She is 20. They are doctors. They are from Australia. We are English teachers. Now you try. They are farmers. He is a waiter. She is a customer. They are doctors. They are nurses. Give it a go. Talk about yourself or your family in the comments using am, is, and are. And don't forget to subscribe.